A drone launched from Lebanon, likely by the Hezbollah group, has impacted an open area in the Jezreel Valley near Nazareth in northern Israel. This incident has raised questions in the region once again. Let's delve into the details. According to the Israeli military, it took the Israel Defense Forces 8 hours to provide an update on the incident, during which an interceptor missile was launched and sirens sounded in towns adjacent to Nazareth. The IDF carried out a failed attempt to intercept the drone before it impacted in an open field, causing no injuries or major damage. Residents reported seeing an Iron Dome missile launch. Meanwhile, a second drone struck the area near the border community of Shomeira, but thankfully, no injuries were reported from either drone. On Friday evening, 2 rockets launched from Lebanon struck open areas near Matat, setting off sirens in the border community. Earlier false alarms in the western Galilee were reported. In response, Israeli fighter jets struck a Hezbollah rocket launcher and other infrastructure in southern Lebanon as troops shelled several locations with artillery and mortars to remove threats. This incident comes amidst ongoing tensions between Israel and Hezbollah, with near daily attacks on Israeli communities and military posts. Hezbollah has increasingly used drones, anti-tank guided missiles, and rockets in these skirmishes. The skirmishes have resulted in civilian deaths on both the sides, with casualties mounting. Hezbollah has named hundreds of its members killed by Israel, with Lebanon and Syria bearing the brunt of the casualties. While Israel remains open to a diplomatic solution, it has also warned of the possibility of war against Hezbollah to restore security to the northern region and to hold Israel. The situation remains tense as diplomatic efforts continue.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.